7 members of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) in the Zamfara State House of Assembly have defected to the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC), citing alleged constitutional breaches and poor management of the state legislature. The lawmakers announced their decision on Wednesday during a sitting in Gusau, the state capital, after deliberations on what they described as the collapse of legislative independence in the state. According to the defectors, the Zamfara House of Assembly has been reduced to an extension of the governor's office, allegedly operating as a rubber stamp for Governor Dauda Lawal. They claimed that they had been illegally suspended for nearly 2 years, a development they said silenced their constituents and forced them to operate a parallel assembly. The lawmakers further alleged that the laws were being passed without the required quorum, rendering such legislative actions null and void. The defectors include the factional speaker, Honorable Bashar Halilu Gonmi, alongside Honorable Nasir Umaru, Honorable Bashir Masama, Honorable Bashir Bello, Honorable Aminu Keta, and Honorable Mukhtar Kaura. Presenting their defection letters, the lawmakers said their decision to join the APC was driven by the need for justice, inclusiveness, fair play, and political harmony, which they believe will allow them to better serve the constituents. They also accused the PDP leadership in Zamfara of abandoning its founding principles and being consumed by internal crises at both state and national levels. The lawmakers further raised concerns over what they described as the governor's alleged nonchalance towards insecurity in the state. Reacting, factional speaker Bashar Gumi congratulated the defectors, describing the move as the beginning of a new political era in Zamfara state. He added that the defection marked a rare political shift where members of a ruling party defect to the opposition, declaring that the PDP in Zamfara was dead and awaiting burial. The lawmakers called on the National Assembly to investigate the situation in the Zamfara state legislature to ensure adherence to the rule of law. This is Flip TV.